Hello everyone. Did you ever tasted sweet roll? This is so yummy and so delicious, and on top of it it's so healthy. So while let us start. Take a mixing bowl and add 2 cups of wheat flour into it, and then a pinch of salt to taste, and then sufficient water to make this into a soft and smooth dough. Remember, your chapati dough should be smooth and soft like this. So make it into small chapati balls like this, and then start rolling it with the help of the rolling pin. Dust it nicely with the wheat flour, and then start making into a circular shape. So like this, and once you are done, add a tablespoon of ghee into it. How to make homemade ghee, I have given the link in the description below. Please go through it. So this is the homemade ghee. You know, the taste and the aroma, it is so awesome. Now fold it into half and the remaining half, and then again fold it nicely in this shape, and then dust it nicely with wheat flour again, and with the help of the rolling pin just roll it down like this. Repeat with the remaining chapati balls also, and then fry it nicely with the help of butter or ghee or else oil also. It is of your choice. So after frying nicely, see, these are the chapatis I have done. They are ready. Now take these chapatis one by one, and then I have taken over here Kisan mixed fruit jam. Take 1 full tablespoon of it, and then start spreading it nicely on top of this chapati. While it is hot only, it is so yummy. You can serve it either ways, but if it is served hot, it will be truly yummy and delicious. Now here I have taken dry fruits or nuts over here. First goes cashews. See, normally my kids, they love to have almonds, pistachios and cashews, but not these resins. So what I do is, if I add in kheer or payasam, they nicely pick it and put it aside. But once if I add in this roll, they don't know what we put it inside, right? What we stuff it inside. So they truly enjoy these rolls, and they nicely have them without picking out or throwing them out. So with the help of the tablespoon, you just push them inside without they being in the corners. Okay, so in the middle only you have to place these dry fruits, and then roll it gently. See, like this, and then see in the edges, why I told you is there is a chance they'll drop outside. So just little bit you push it closer, and then you roll it, and with the help of a toothpick just insert it in a diagonal angle, not straight. See, like this. That's it. Our sweet roll is ready. Put it aside. Now the second one. So repeat this process for all the chapatis or the rolls you have made. This is a very healthy and easy snack to prepare, and you can give it to your kids for their tiffin or lunch. They'll truly love it. This is sweet, and at the same time we have all the nuts in it, and then that is a very healthy snack, I must say. You know, you just can't stop eating with one roll. See how nice it is, and how crunchy and how sweet it is. So go just give it a try, and that too we are adding ghee over here. That is truly tasty and yummy and delicious. So these sweet rolls, they are healthy and tasty too. So I have given to my kids, and they truly loved it. So you too try to your family and let me know how it turned to you. Till then, bye bye.